Hello and welcome to day 8 of Miniature Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be making a open fire. So to begin with, I'm using basswood and I've cut out my pieces to make my fireplace. You can see the measurements on screen now. I'm just going to begin by gluing the pieces all together to make the shell of my fireplace. Okay, so now we're ready to add the bricks to our fireplace. To do this, I'm using egg cartons and I've cut them up into rectangle shapes to resemble bricks, and we're going to begin by just gluing them to the outside of our fireplace. Here is the fireplace with all of the bricks on, and we're now ready to add some paint. So for the paint, I've grabbed any and every yellow, red, orange, brown colour that I could find, and I'm just going to randomly add them to bricks around the fireplace. This is how it looks so far with all the paint, and now we need to add the cement in between the bricks. For this I'm using filler, but my filler was very dry, so I've added a little bit of water and sort of turned it into a paste. To make the bricks look a bit more weathered, I'm adding some grey paint, and how I'm adding this is that I'm going to paint it over top of the bricks and then use a damp cloth to wipe it away. And I'm just going to work my way around the fireplace in small sections. This is what the finished cement looks like, and now we can move on to making the mantle. Using basswood again, I've cut out 3 pieces of wood that are 6.5 inches by 1.5 inches, and I'm going to glue them one on top of each other to make a mantle. I'm going to give it a bit of colour by adding some brown paint. I'm dipping my brush in water as I paint to make it look more like a stain, so this will bring out the textures in the wood. Okay, so now everything's dry, it's time to assemble. To create the fire, I'm actually going to be using a video of a fire. I have built the fireplace big enough to just slot the video in and out. So yeah, thank you for joining me again today. I will see you tomorrow for day 9 of Miniature Vlogmas. Thank you. Bye.